Someone to you, someone to yours. From one great spirit to another, Kamala Mutula Malevu Ngumelapi. I'm a singer, songwriter, record producer, author, broadcaster. Above all, I'm a great abundant spirit having a human experience. I am a sign and a son of the soil. I'd like to teach you something real quick about becoming, or rather to share from my experience. The surname is Malevu, but for a long time, for more than 20 years, it was Unzama, right? And because I knew Utu Abagazanga Hlawule, I wanted to fix that and sort it out. There was just this urge inside of me to fix it, to fix it, because I didn't have the means. So anyhow, I get in a conversation about 3 years ago with Bob Mngane, I would say, please help me. And he agrees. And when it's then time, before beginning to revisit the conversation, which is now last year, November, he dreams of his house burning, but it doesn't say, right? When you start the conversation that talks. Fast forward to I then we have a conversation to say la la la, and he says, no, I can't help you because you and your brother are not speaking terms. I'm like, oh, okay, cool. Then things just go south from there. I mentioned this because I tried to fix a spongo, sangalunga, right? Ukuthi ngibe unzama the right way, but then I quickly realized ungumalevu wena. And to further attest that the surname that I've been using is not even mine to begin with. In March this year, Kisolwandle, I had a moment whereby ngavakashelwa abantwana bemoya, and I was told with my biology, the father is not the father. I mentioned this to say it to you. For a long time, I used his surname, even though it's not even my surname, and that hindered the growth, my growth, and the extent to which my gift could manifest, whether music, writing, speaking, business. It hindered. And why it hindered? Because the gifting was not coming from there. So you can't go around, yay, Obama, Obama. Meanwhile, you're Obama, you know. I share this to say with you, certain things will need to happen for your gift to unlock, but your gift can't unlock the way that it's supposed to if you are not aligned or tuned into where it comes from directly. So I hope that makes sense. Number one. So again, since I've been using the surname Umalev, and I didn't really have to do much. It was just acknowledging abantu abadala fully to say, "Eish mkhulu, ke tsamaya le wena jo, gogo, mme, ke a tlhaloganya hore re etsa jwang ntho ena." So when I fully embraced that, I didn't even have to do drastic things. Things changed. The throat opened. The writing got better. Business deals came. The music was able to be released. Last year, I recorded a project as Tulani Nzama. This is before I came back from Johannesburg, June last year. And something in me said, Uzolinda for a year. And now it was a year later when I released it in March. And I was already Tulani Malev when it dropped. So meaning it was already aligned. I hope I'm making sense. Abanendlebe bazozwa Nkosi yami. Abanendlebe, I hope bazozwa, but yeah.